Now, if a hotel has in-house or on-premises laundry, then what are the equipment they might have? Also, along with this, I will give a layout of on-premises laundry. Let's suppose this is the laundry space. Here is the main door connected with the corridor, and laundry is also interconnected with linen room, where we store all linen once it is laundered. Let's start from the beginning. Here we have soiled linen area, where we collect and dump all soiled linen. In this area, we also have a weighing scale to measure the weight of the soiled linen. Weight is measured before putting them in washing machine. As we know, washing machines have a capacity ranging from 7 to 200 kg and even more. As told, after weighing, soiled linen is put in washing machines. The large washing machines in laundry, we also call them washers. For commercial purpose, we use front-loading automatic washing machines. You will also find small capacity washing machines for washing fewer clothes, specially used for urgent guest laundry. For various chemicals such as detergent, bleach, softeners, here we have a chemical cupboard or small cabinet. Along with this, we have sink area. This sink area is used to clean some small spots or stains on the fabric. For spotting or stain removal, nowadays we also have a machine called spotting unit. This machine consists of a spotting board, a spotting gun and a steam attachment. After linen is washed, it is put into a hydro extractor. Here, hydro means water and extract means to pull out something. So hydro extractors are used to pull out the water from the clothes. The internal drum in the extractor spins so fast that the excess water is removed from the linen or cloths. Well, wait, but automatic washing machines also do the same thing. Then why we need extra hydro extractor? Washing machines have lower RPM, means their spinning power is less, so only extract 60 to 70% of water. While the hydro extractor are specifically designed for water extraction and have higher RPM speed, means spins faster than washing machines, removing around 80 to 90% of the water. Now this leftover moisture of 10 to 20% is good for ironing and also get evaporated during ironing. Note, nowadays we also have more powerful washing machines with dual functions of washer cum hydro extractor. In that case, you don't need to purchase hydro extractor separately. After hydro extraction, the linen is directly sent for ironing or pressing, and after ironing, folded and sent to linen room for storage. Now, if the fabric cannot be ironed, such as towels, bath towels, bathrobes, hand towels, face towels, for that we have dryers. After towels are pulled out from hydro extractor, they are dropped into dryers. It uses a rotating drum to tumble or toss clothes as they dry, hence also called tumble dryer. Hydro extractor leaves some 10 to 20% moisture, but dryers dry them completely. After that, towels are folded and sent to linen room. Talk about different ironing equipment and attachments. These ironing machines either be operated through electricity or steam. First type of ironing machine is flatbed press. It has two beds. The lower bed is fixed and called buck, and top flat bed is flexible and called head. When we press pedal, the head comes down in contact with buck, and anything placed between gets ironed. Similar to this press, we also have steam press. Similarly, 2 beds, head and buck. But it also incorporates steam jets. The steam helps to relax the fibers in the fabric, making it easier to smooth out wrinkles. Then we have collar and cuff press. The collar and cuffs of a shirt are placed on these. Next we have Suzy or genies, specifically used for jackets or coats. This consists of an open mesh nylon air foam bag. The garment is draped on it. You may also find steam cabinets. These are the large boxes where we can hang linen such as curtains, blankets, bedspreads. Steam is passed through these, removing the wrinkles from these articles. And also, who is not familiar with this? Hand iron and iron board. After ironing, the linen or uniforms need to be folded. Fully automatic garment folding machines. Just put the uniform or garment and they fold it. For ironing the large size linen, specifically bedsheets, duvet covers, tablecloths and similar articles, we have calendar machine. It consists of a series of rollers in pair connected by a number of narrow conveyor belts. The speed of the rollers is adjustable. The seat is fed in manually. After folding, the hotel linen and employees' uniforms are sent to linen and uniform room, and guest laundry is collected by laundry valet, who will pack and deliver them back to the guest. Lastly, we have various linen trolleys, carts, and working tables. Now here at the entrance, you might find laundry in charge or manager's cabin. I hope now you have basic idea of laundry layout and equipment used.